My sewing videos finally hit 100 plus views. I almost gave up, but I didn't. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sew with Teresa. That's the channel I run. I share sewing tips, sewing tutorials for those learning fashion designing, learning to sew at home, wanting to do it confidently, especially for beginners. You see what sewing is? Growing in sewing is like stitching, very slow but steady. If you are planning, if you have a challenge, if any doubt is in your mind, if you think you are not perfect, adjust your cuts. If you think it's not working, improve your finishing. Low views is what you think you're having, refine your presentation. And so don't quit, just improve. Your breakthrough is loading, is booting, is around the corner. Keep sewing, keep showing up. I did all of these. I did them. I was where you think you are now. I sought counsel. I watched other videos. I questioned myself. What is it I'm not doing well? I heard from one person, two persons, and very many other creators, by the way. And these are my findings. These are my findings. Please don't quit. Stay where you are. I started from, as odd as it sounds, 2 videos and then 0 views. Then I started to have 2 views, 5 views. I kept wondering, but I was always told, keep posting, keep sewing, keep doing this, keep doing that. And I kept doing those things I was asked to do. I call them counsel. They didn't want me to quit, just like I have come to tell you, please don't quit. So I want you in this video to take away something. I have come to inspire you. I have come to encourage you the more. I have come to most likely point at the very things that appear not to be correctly done. If your cuts don't seem to be working, or maybe you don't know, however, look at them, improve it, adjust your cuts. You must not be perfect, by the way, but keep going. Keep going, because sometimes also imperfect stitches. Like I said somewhere in one of my videos, imperfect stitches make the best outcome. By the way, in America, once upon a time, we were told every mistake is a style, That's by the way. And so, if it doesn't seem to be working, improve your finishing. If it is just the low views that I was crying about, improve your presentation. Refine your presentation. Add the things they say we should add. I call us we. Do what you should do. And let the outcome be waited for. The outcome, obviously, will be impressive, will be rewarding. I, you, and others like us will say, we were there. And that will be it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video has inspired you some bit, like it. Leave a comment in my comment section and subscribe. We will remain here on YouTube. Thank you for watching.